Hi my sewing friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sew a buttonhole placket. If this is what you would like to see, then keep watching. We will need two bands that measures 2 inches. Go ahead and fuse with interface. Then after doing that, mark half an inch on the two edges of the band, just like you can see in the video. I've marked the half inch on both sides on the two bands. Go ahead and do likewise. After doing that, you bring in your ruler and mark the opening you want for the buttonholes. I'm using 1 centimeter and it should be at the midpoint of this band, the midpoint. Go ahead and mark it all the way to the end of the band. Now go ahead and connect the points. You should have something like this. I also went ahead to fold in the half inch we marked from the beginning. After folding, this is what I had. So now go ahead, place right sides together and take it over to your sewing machine and begin to sew at the midpoint. Make sure that the particular one you marked is you're seeing the particular one you marked is facing you, so that you see where to stitch and where to end. Make sure you backstitch. Backstitching is very important because if you don't backstitch, the stitches could unravel and you don't want that. So when you sew the first one, you raise up your presser foot, then move your fabric and continue sewing just as you're seeing me do. Just go ahead and continue sewing until you get to the end of the band. Go ahead and trim every loose thread. Now fold over what you just finished sewing, just as you're seeing me do. You would have something like this. If you've watched to this point, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I went ahead to give it a good press and this is what we have now. See how beautiful it looks. So I'm measuring it now to see what we have, and this is 1 inch. Exactly 1 inch as you would need for a shirt placket. So I'm going ahead now to close one end of the placket. Just take your time, slow and steady. This is what we have. Now bring in your shirt and place it in between that placket. as you can see me do. Then go ahead and attach it to the front bodies of your shirt. So this is what we have. Very beautiful. So if you don't have a buttonhole foot, you can try this method until such a time when you're able to get it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that whenever we upload any new videos, you'll be among the first to see them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.